welcome back to the channel. It's Luca Fam. All of you are asking how do I do my lips and my face and do my blush. Only my lips you asked and my blush. And how do I do my blush? I just use two things. I use this for blush. And then I use this lipstick. Then I also put the top of it with this lipstick. First off, I put this lipstick on my lips. Oops, and then I put this lipstick over my lips. And you saw asking me all of my comments on how do I do my blush. I just take toilet paper and this, and then I make it into small pink stuff. Then I pat it on the inside all. First off, I wash my face, wash my lips, wash my nose to get all of the makeup up off. First off, I put on foundation to make my ear under more darker, and here my nose and here. Because I don't like people say comments. Like, I'm gonna make another video because I don't have too much makeup. I have only these two products and I bought the foundation from my mommy. And then I just apply this. Papa! Sorry guys. Then I first take out outline. I don't have outline. I just use outline, and I outline with brown stuff. So I outline it. Sometimes I don't do this lipstick. I outline it nicely, and there's it. And then I take some lipstick. I'm not showing my face. Nah. Okay. There's only thing that I can do to help me. Me of my dream then. I can show you with a light on. This is how my lips look red. Nice and sparkly. I really like my lips. Rated 10 out of 10 because I just use. Look, this is an outline. Then if I do this, then it's nice. I look Loki so good. I'm gonna show my face on my lips and it's kind of this. I don't know how you do blush because I do it with toilet paper. Sometimes I do it with a sponge. So, and then I add some more, like, I don't want to so red. Girl, who wants your lipstick to be so red and bright? Red. I got this from from this. I don't know what you call it. If I now put on blush and then it's never coming off. Like sometimes I put on like normal blush. I don't put like this is how my blush look. Let me show. Like this. I'm scared if it's not touch makeup my makeup. I'm gonna show you how to do makeup tomorrow morning and show you how I brushed to my face. And I'm gonna do this for a video. I'm going tomorrow to my cousins and go jump on trampoline, and this is gonna be good. I'm gonna maybe do makeup day or something. I think I'm gonna put this on and my red lip gloss, and then it's gonna look so shiny. My skin looks like junk and me. Junk. I want to do my blush now, and then it's never coming off of me. Then I have to rewash my face tomorrow. I did the lipstick of course. This is the easy part. If you don't have lip gloss, just use your tongue. I just use finger. On the chicken one. That one. Chili tomato. Chili tomato. I never heard from this chips. Goes loads. Like the. Come on, can I put? Like I never heard from that, and I can't eat with this now. I made a bad mistake. I might check because I want to see what color is this. Let me taste. Bye guys.